folks, Hayes Mercure here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm at 314 West Glen Avenue in Valparaiso. If you're military and you want to be close to base, do not look any further. From this spot right here, you are less than 2 minutes from the gates of Glen Air Force Base. Also, if you like taking a cool dip on a hot summer day, wait till you have a look in the back. You know what? Actually, let's not wait. Let's go now. What I tell you, right? Entertainer's paradise. I mean, how beautiful is this? Put this shit. So whether you're looking to cool off after a long day at the office or entertain friends and family for hours on end, this is the place for you.